Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models, and on the workbench today, I've not done one of these for a while, is the Airfix QuickBuild Ford Mustang GT 1968 that came out this year or beginning of last year. They had it announced back in 2021 and we finally got it around about now, and I've had it upstairs for a while and I've been meaning to get around to building it because, as you know, I do like a quick build. Now, my thoughts on this are quite simple. That this is a kit where there's no glue needed, there's no paint. You just build it up, and it's based on like a Lego sort of like premise, okay? And I know some people scoff at this, right? But what a great way to get into scale modeling by building something, and at the end of it, you get yourself a vehicle or a model that you can basically take down and rebuild, or just let it be played with. I'm very impressed. I always have been by them. And if you scoff at the thought of building one of these, I have a theory, okay? I believe that everybody's very first model kit came in a chocolate egg.
I'll bring back something small. Hi. What would you like?
I'd like something exciting, something to play with, and some chocolate.
But darling, that's 3 wishes altogether. You know that's not possible.
But yes, it is possible. Kinder Surprise is excitement every time. A toy and deliciously milky chocolate.
I think that Kinder Surprise, right, when you're growing up, you ate your chocolate, open up that little yellow nugget inside, and you build yourself a little model. No matter what it is, it's still building a model. And this is one great way of getting into building models. So, yeah, as I said before, you know, it is what it is. It's a simple kit. When it doesn't come with decals or decals, it comes with stickers. So it's an easy way of building a model. Right, so artwork looks fabulous again. You have an exploded view there of the kit, you know, so you can see that there's like the studs there that you would find in either a Mega Box or a Lego kit. So the box is some information, some warning. It's an official licensed product. This time they haven't got a special code that you can go into a website and get and win a wallpaper for your phone. They're designed for 6+. Okay, the code for this one is, if I get up to the camera, J6035. That's J6035, and it's the Quick Build Ford Mustang GT 1968. Open the side of the box is the box art and the name of the model inside. Same on the other side. The top has this really cool side-on view of the model, and it has a little tag here so people can hang it up if they need. Back of the box is showing you the actual size, basically telling you, oh, I tell a lie, there it is there. That is the scan to play. So if you scan that, peel this off, you could probably win a prize. I don't know where you win a car, but you win something. All right, so that's basically it. I can't see how many pieces it's got in it. It doesn't say how many pieces, but we'll have a look at that when we get inside. But as I said, stickers included, rolling wheels, pre-coloured, push fit together. Brilliant. So let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box you get one plastic bag of coloured pieces. You get one bag which has the clear plastic part in. You get this real nice decouched or sticker sheet with all the stickers that you need. Wow, you've got, I think there's a choice there, is there? But yes, and then you get the instructions. I just want to quickly look and see if it says how many pieces are in the kit. Normally it sometimes tells you how many pieces are in it. No, it doesn't tell you how many pieces. Well, there you go then. Let's just open up the box, open up the bag. Sorry, let's just open up the bag. So you have quite a vast array of pieces there. The wheels are actually rubber, and there is a method to put them on. You find there's a lip inside of the rubber there, and then you push the wheel on until it clicks into the rubber. So you can rub them down if they've got like a little bit of overshot sort of thing, whether it's been caught onto the sprue. Part of the gate's still left on there, but that looks right to me. So yeah, there is a way of getting these on. You can, let's say, just sand these down, but you don't really need to. There's a little lip inside, and you push these on until they snap shut, and there you go. That's it done. That's the wheel done already. That's a good start. Right then, I think that's it. It's time to get on with the build. there it is. This is the final build. It went together absolutely lovely. I was really, really impressed by it. It does look the balls, doesn't it? You know, couple of things. I tried to show up to the camera as I was building this that inside, you know, you can't look at it now, but where the panel was, they even had the pedals, the accelerator, the brake, and the clutch pedal, molded in the plastic. It was really lovely touch. There's gear stick in the middle as well. The seats are well detailed, very, very good. The moving part is the front, so you can actually see the engine and the air intake there. You know, you actually put that on as like little hose. It just fits in. Lovely, absolutely lovely. Now, this is for a 6+, and for a 43-year-old, I found the stickers a little bit fiddly. So, adult supervision required when you do the stickers. I say, I you know, it's not criticism. I just felt that like these little buggers here, trying to get them in the hole, nightmare. This one here, trying to line it up straight, it's a bit tetchy. You know, this one here, trying to get that in. You know, you've got a big ridge there, and I took 3 or 4 attempts to get that in straight. But other than that, you know, I thought the stickers were a bit too hard. There's no stickers for inside, but you can't really see inside anyway. But wheels look nice, free moving. You know, it's just a great little kit really to build up. Nice detail underneath, nice detail of the engine. But yeah, really, really nice. Enjoyed that. So thank you very much. So there you go. That was the quick build Ford Mustang GT 1968 from Airfix. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, because I do reply. And just wait to the end, because there will be a playlist of all the other quick builds that I've done over the years. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Take care. Cheers.
What a good idea.
Wow.
Kinder Surprise 3 wishes at once from Ferrero.